so I basically using this on here to mark it, and I basically cut it out with my skill saw, then use my sawzall to like finish up the cuts, then I use my chisel out around the edge of it, so that we get a nice, perfect fit for the doggy door. Which, and this is the inside. This side would be this side, and this would be on the, and this one would be on the outside actually. So that way we can use the locks on it. We could, sit like that. Now I'm about to put this up and position it. Now I can figure out what needs to be filled in around the door. Oops, that's stupid. Alright. Okay, so now basically I gotta put this up in this doorway here. Test fit the door. Well, actually, first we need to clean up around the door jamb here, and then bring the door over and test fit it. See what needs to be filled in around it, and then I can install it in my usual good luck taking it down manner. That's how I roll. I don't want anybody else to be able to take the door down. As a wife saw when I was taking the other door down, she can tell you right now, that was not easy bringing it down. And I'm still cleaning up from where I took down. Go. All right. There. All right. Oh yeah, when you're putting up a new door, make sure you take this off before you finish it, because if you don't take this off before you finish it, then you can't open the door. I just thought I'd mention that to you. And I'm pretty sure some of you probably forget to take these off when you're about to finish up your door. Well, I'm not going to do it under since the stuff to carry it. Alright. Okay, now I need to make some room here. Okay. Dang, my sinuses. I've been out of my sinus stuff for a while now. Alright. I needed a level. Alright. Alright, this is the inside. Here's the outside. Okay. Door works. Okay.
David, I do believe the door works.
Yeah, I know. See, you can go right through it.
I know, isn't that amazing?
Yeah. All right, I'm all done.
Okay, this can. Okay, I guess this concludes David's door putting up.
Yeah, the door's up. Yeah, now I just need to fit it.
He didn't say how good it was going to be. But
Yeah. Get over there. There we go.
there you go. And if you got a gap like that, I guess add a window. I don't know.
It's not. You see, it's not a gap. It's a vent. That way you
It's a
pour
vent.
it in here, and
Oh
the
my
smoke
God.
gets out.
Oh my God, David. Seriously.
Why am I ever serious?
Oh, that's true. Oh, shout out to OK Peace, Mickey. How y'all doing,
Yeah.
everybody?
I have to get some different tools.
This is the kind of video y'all get when Seasparkle leaves us in charge of making videos.
Yeah, we get around to it, and then we do stuff.
Yeah, exactly.
Huh.
Now what happened?
Uh-huh.
Oh Lord.
Okay. Back this way. That's going over there too. Okay. Now then. Okay. Things are like myself. Okay. Okay. I need something to put up in there. Let's see here. No. Might do it. Let's see here. No. That ain't gonna work. Alright. Let's see here. How about this one? Oh yeah. That'll work. Okay, there, that worked. I filled that in. And